In this video, we are going to see that if your Edge browser shows this error, whenever you are trying to connect with any link, it shows this that the connection for this site is not secure. So either the uses an unsupported protocol or an ERR version cipher mismatch error, or you can also see can't connect securely to this page on Microsoft Edge. So hopefully a couple of solutions that I will tell you, one of them might work for you. And without further ado, let's get started with this video. So first of all, we can try doing is just open up the start menu and just write here internet options. Just open up this one. And once we open that up, just go to the security tab and under the internet, and from here we select custom level in the internet option. Go to custom level and just scroll all the way down to the middle area where it says display mixed content. And what you need to do is just enable this and click OK. If it asks you for the confirmation, click yes and click apply and OK and try restarting your PC. So hopefully that problem should be resolved. If not, you can try something else. What we can do is just write again internet options. Just go in here, click on advanced and just scroll down all the way down to the bottom where we see the security section. And we just have to make sure that we enable a couple of options like use SSL 3.0 should be enabled, use TLS 1.0. And actually we can just uncheck use SSL 3.0 and use SSL TLS. We will enable that all of them. Click on apply, click on OK. And after that, just quickly restart your PC and just try accessing the link or the website that you were using that was showing the error before, and it should be resolved. So I hope you found this video helpful, and if you did, hit the like button and subscribe to our channel, and I will see you in the next one.